The third method to find out fixed cost and variable cost from mixed cost is called as least squares regression. This is a statistical method which tells you about the relationship between x and y, which are the two variables which we have. Now this method is supposed to be, or is called as, the best method. Why? Because it takes all the data points into account as compared to the first one, scatter graph, which only takes 1, and the second one, high-low, which takes 2. Now, why is it called as the least square regression? Remember, this method, it's a statistical method, and it tries to minimize the sum of the squared errors. So that is minimized, that's why it is called as the best method, and the line which we fit is called as the line of the best fit. Now how do we do that? We can do it using Excel. Now when we are using Excel, we need to put in the formula for all these three things. Now the first thing to find out is slope. So this is the formula for slope. So you've got slope. Now these are the figures for y. So you need to select the range for y and the range for x, and once you are done with that, you close the brackets and you get the value for the variable cost per unit. The second thing which you need to find out is the intercept or the fixed cost. Now when you write intercept, you will simply get the formula for intercept. Now, and you need to give the values for both x and y variables. So this is the value, these are the values for both the variables, and this is the fixed cost. Once you are done with that, you also need to find out something which is called as R square. Now for R square, you have to do the same thing. You have to give the values for both y and the values for x, and you are done with R square. Now what actually these figures mean? Now the first one was variable cost per unit. The second one is the fixed cost. And the third one is R square, which is denoted by R square, and it tells me about the goodness of fit, which means how much of changes in y are due to changes in x. Over here it's 93.27%. So 93.27% of changes in y are due to changes in x. That's all. Thank you.